My daughter has loved creating stories since she was little, and she's currently working on her own series of novels, and I couldn't be more proud of her. Today I will be taking one of her characters, Tarsa Reeves, and sewing the Montis Dress from Sofilantjes Patterns, all while I let her tell you about this character of hers.
Tarsa's world takes place in the modern-day world. Her story does not begin with Tarsa herself, though. It begins with an unnamed organization led by scientist Brianna Vaughn. After discovering that her newborn cousin was able to use a supernatural ability, she then formed the organization in hopes to scour the globe for others like him. Three years later, they have discovered exactly 14 kids with these strange abilities. Illegally, the organization kidnapped each of the kids and brought them to an underground base where for another year they were treated as lab experiments. After meeting a dead end on their tests, Vaughn decided to use the kids to her advantage. She grouped them into one big, super team and called them the Anti-Olympians. Tarsa Reeves is the Anti-Apollo, able to bend light at her will and master any instrument at the pluck of a string or a single breath. Tarsa's twin sister Tara is the Anti-Artemis, making them perfect for their roles. The girls were kidnapped by Vaughn's agents when they were only 6 years old. As they grew older, Tarsa slowly became Vaughn's favorite and was thus given the codename Helios. In this story, Tarsa and Tara are sent on a mission by Vaughn to find two missing agents, the Anti-Hermes and Athena, Jasper and Sophie. Tarsa, however, is given a separate mission than her sister is. She must kill Jasper. On a not-so-dark note, Tarsa is generally a bright and bubbly person, relating well to her Olympian. She has dark brown hair and light brown skin. She usually dresses in bright, eye-catching colors, which is the inspiration for the project in today's video. I hope you enjoy.
Don't worry, as she develops more of these characters and more of these stories, I will be putting updates on my Instagram account, so follow me over there if you'd like to keep up to date on things. If you enjoyed my daughter's story and were inspired to create your own character, give this video a thumbs up. And I'm inviting you to join us over at the Literary SEWIST'S Book Club over on Facebook. There will be links in the description below. Each month we get together and we chat about a book that we've decided to buddy read together. We talk about other things that we're inspired to read or didn't like reading. So check us out. We'd love to have you join us. If you need some additional inspiration, check out my book-inspired sewing projects right over here. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for future installments of my bookish sewing goodness. Be sure to ring the bell to get notified every time there's a new video uploaded. And I'll see you next time.